Hi there, my name's Sal. I'm currently portraying a soldier from the Imperial German Army in, let's say, late 1917, early 1918. What I have on the table is primarily a lot of what a soldier at that time probably would have carried with them, or as well as examples of gear. So I've got the opened up tornister backpack right here in here you would have underwear and such. In here they would have a spare pair of boots as well as the putties for their legs. You'd also have standard toiletry bag, toothbrush, razor. They have their wallet with their soldier's paybook, the matchbox, matches, and a button polisher, comb, timepiece. Some guys would carry instruments, butter dish, eating utensil. We got 2 mess kits, and of course an original canteen that they'd use. Sewing kit. They keep little rations like salt in little baggies. We have an ammunition bandolier that would go around the neck in place of the leather ammo pouches, as well as a spare filter for the gas mask. And then we have the late 1917 field cap, and then the fancier NCO private purchase version.
Tell me about the rifle when you can.
Yeah, here I have the standard issue Gewehr 98 rifle, which was used by the majority of the Army for the entire war. So it's got the long range sights, which weren't really suited for trench warfare. Bolt action, holds 5 rounds, which would be kept in the pouches. They carry about 20 rounds per pouch. So I think, quick math, the soldier would have 60 rounds in 120. I think they carry on the belt at a time. So 5 rounds at a time. They'd cycle after each one.
I was explaining it to Mike.
And then
that's an awesome.
they'd have the.
That's our big.
Yeah, that was the main armament that most infantry soldiers had.
Thousands of spectators. Yeah, we have
thank you.
several thousand each.